every year brings new travel trends, rising destinations, and incredible places waiting to be explored. If you are planning your next big adventure, 2026 is shaping up to be an exciting year for travel. Some destinations are gaining attention for their natural beauty, others for culture, food, or once-in-a-lifetime experiences. In this video, we explore 10 of the coolest places to travel in 2026. 1. Petra, Jordan. Hidden within red sandstone cliffs, Petra is one of the most impressive archaeological sites in the world. Known as the Rose City, Petra was built more than 2,000 years ago by the Nabatean civilization. Visitors enter through a narrow canyon called the Siq, before reaching the famous treasury building carved directly into the rock. Beyond the treasury, the ancient city stretches across a vast desert valley filled with temples, tombs, and hiking trails. Petra combines history, adventure, and dramatic landscapes, making it one of the most fascinating destinations to visit in 2006. 2. Patagonia, Chile, and Argentina. Patagonia offers some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth. Towering granite peaks, glaciers, and turquoise lakes create a wilderness that feels untouched and powerful. Many travelers visit Torres del Paine National Park in Chile or Los Glaciares National Park in Argentina to experience hiking trails surrounded by mountains and ice fields. Sea wildlife such as guanacos are an experience. For travelers seeking raw nature and adventure, Patagonia remains one of the coolest destinations in the world. 3. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto represents the cultural heart of Japan. The city is famous for its traditional temples, bamboo forests, and historic neighborhoods. During spring, cherry blossoms transform the city into a sea of pink flowers. In autumn, maple leaves turn deep shades of red and orange. Visitors can explore ancient shrines, attend traditional tea ceremonies, and walk through peaceful gardens that have existed for centuries. Kyoto offers a unique blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty. 4. Amalfi Coast, Italy. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most scenic coastal regions in Europe. Colorful towns cling to cliffs above the Mediterranean Sea, creating dramatic views around every corner. Positano and Amalfi attract visitors with narrow streets, seaside cafes, and stunning beaches. Scenic drives along the coastal road reveal breathtaking landscapes of cliffs and turquoise water. The Amalfi Coast blends Italian culture, cuisine, and coastal beauty. 5. Iceland. Iceland is a land shaped by fire and ice. Volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, and geothermal landscapes make the country feel almost otherworldly. Travelers can explore famous routes like the Golden Circle, visit massive waterfalls such as Gullfoss, or relax in geothermal lagoons. During winter, Iceland also becomes one of the best places to see the northern lights dancing across the sky. 6. Lofoten Islands, Norway. The Lofoten Islands offer some of the most beautiful coastal scenery in Scandinavia. Small fishing villages sit between sharp mountain peaks and the open sea. Visitors can kayak through fjords, hike dramatic ridges, or watch the midnight sun during summer. In winter, the islands become one of the best places in Europe to see the northern lights. 7. Sahara Desert, Morocco. The Sahara Desert offers one of the most unforgettable landscapes on Earth. Endless sand dunes stretch across the horizon, changing color with the light of sunrise and sunset. Many travelers visit the Erg Chebi dunes near Merzouga for camel treks and overnight desert camps under the stars. The silence and vastness of the Sahara create an experience that feels timeless. 8. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park is famous for its stunning mountain scenery and turquoise lakes. Located in the Canadian Rockies, the park attracts visitors year-round. Lake Louise and Moraine Lake are among the most photographed landscapes in North America. Hiking, wildlife viewing, and scenic drives make Banff one of the top destinations for outdoor lovers. 9. Queenstown, New Zealand. Queenstown is often called the adventure capital of the world. Surrounded by mountains and Lake Wakatipu, the town offers activities such as bungee jumping, hiking, and scenic boat cruises. In winter, nearby ski resorts attract snow lovers, while summer brings hiking and outdoor adventures. Queenstown combines adrenaline experiences with spectacular landscapes. 10. Bali, Indonesia. Bali is famous for its tropical landscapes, rice terraces, temples, and beaches. Visitors explore cultural sites in Ubud, relax along the coast, and enjoy traditional Balinese cuisine. The island offers a mix of spiritual traditions, natural beauty, and vibrant local culture. Bali remains one of the most popular and inspiring travel destinations in the world. From ancient cities and Arctic islands to desert landscapes and tropical beaches, these destinations show how diverse and exciting travel can be. Which destination would you visit first? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more travel inspiration.